Hey everyone, today we talk about the Bitcoin, get the pressure from the Nasdaq and the Netflix, and update about the Ethereum. Okay, the first, before we talk about the detail about the Bitcoin dominant, also in here you can find the Ethereum. I want to update you to the Netflix. You can find since the November last year until now, the Netflix already decreased by 70%. You can find from the top until the bottom 70%. And the interesting part is in the last 2 weeks, I mean just the last week, Netflix has another crash 37%, and this week Netflix has the crash at 12%. That's why this crash is leading the Nasdaq to have another crash. And you can see that the Nasdaq have this last strong line. I mean that this support, and support. Yesterday I told you that I'm still bullish. Yeah, I'm still bullish at least until end of this month. That's why after end of this month we need to see what's the trend. And we know that I think yeah the the, the crash that just happening, as you can see that in here we back to this white line in the monthly time frame for the Bitcoin. And you can see this white line is the exponential moving average 21. Whenever we cannot hold this line happening in 2018, we have the crash in here. In here, we can hold the line, we going up, but we crash in here due to profit and we have to pull. Now, we have 4 months stay in this line. So, this line is similar like this line. And we are still struggle. But if we going below this line, I think it's very, very bad. But we need to see, I think, because approaching the month end, I hope that we can see the uptrend, I think, back to like this one. Okay, wait, well, look at this one. So if you draw, it is like the descending, like the triangle symmetrical, and you can find that we still hold at this line. This is the last support, I think, before we are going down. But if we can hold this line, probably we are just going to sideways and we can back to 44 or maybe back to 40, 45.8 in here. That's why this is the in the plan, and as long as that we are above 37k, it's okay. But if we are going back below to 37k, I think it's a very, very bad condition. That's why the Bitcoin just get pressure both from the Netflix and the Nasdaq. They are in a very, very bad situation for the Nasdaq. But you need to know that like the dollar is very, very strong. That's why every market is going down. And the last is also same for the Ethereum. For the Ethereum, you can find that this is like a symmetrical triangle, but we have break and this. We are going up, going down, and here we are confirmed as a support, and there is a potential we're going up. But if we break below this line, I think it's very, very bad for all market in Ethereum. And as you can see that the Bitcoin dominance, look, the Bitcoin dominance having like the descending parallel line in here, but we are likely to retest this resistance. I hope that the Bitcoin dominance can go down so the altcoin can fly. Okay, but I think the things that you need to know that yesterday down in the Nasdaq in the daily time frame you can check 5 point around 6%. That's the biggest dump in the 1 day for the Nasdaq since 2020. You can find we never have the crash about the Nasdaq less than more. I mean more than 5 until 6% in a day. That's why not joking for the Nasdaq, and you need to watch it closely because the Nasdaq can bring down the other platform. Okay, but as long as that the Bitcoin can hold this line, I mean the around the 38.3 or 37k in here, we are still in the business, we are still in the bullish, and the next target is back to the 44 under the 45, 46k in here. Okay, and I think about the tapering. Oh, I mean about the FOMC meeting. The FOMC meeting, the next is about around the 3 until 5 May. So next week there's gonna be FOMC meeting, and let's see what the market and how they react about the next meeting, because you know that the dollar index is very very strong. And remember that the Bitcoin is still going down since 37k in here. I mean the 67k in here, going down in here. That's why, as long as that we are still in this one, I think there is no much that you can do. And look, there is the manipulation in whales that we also have another decreasing by 5.7% in here. And remember, this I mean in this yellow line in here, the yellow box in here, it's just going sideways. So since the February, we are going up, down, going up, down, going up and down. That's why this is not exactly the crash that the people said, but yes, the price is going down. But if you compare to the February, we have this price around 38k. In here we have 38k. In here we have 38k. In here also 38k. That's why it's just going more or less like this. That's why I'm still hoping that we are can going up, approaching to here before we are selling. Okay, I think that's for today. Just a short video, and remember that the key is about the Nasdaq. You need the Nasdaq is going to up if you want the Bitcoin is going to up. Okay, that's for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give your thumb like button. Thank you.